Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize the website of Squarespace for Mockup templates business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So the first thing here, you can change the topic. So you can, if the topic isn't here, okay, if the topic isn't here, you can just select all templates, okay, and in the type you can search, you can select, it might be online store and services. Okay, now let's move on. Here you can start with one of these templates here, and you can build your own template. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing here you can change, you can add your business name, your site name. Let's move on now. Build your own homepage here. So build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive. So you can do anything to make your site looks better and attractive, to pull more customers and more people. Okay, let's move on. Also the product section, the same thing, and about section, the services section, the social section, and the forms and footer section. So that's it. Let's move on now. Add page to your site. Choose the color, any color you like, any color match with your business, and choose the font. Okay, and let's move on. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe, add a description about your website and your products, and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip this. Okay, I'm gonna skip this, and now let's move on to design the homepage website. Okay, now click, first if you want to edit, click here edit, and the first thing here, you can change the text here. Okay, for example, you can type welcome to our site for mockup templates, like this. And after this, you can change the text on this label. So for example, you can type get started, or whatever you want to type here. You can add anything on any section, image or video or audio, whatever you like to add. If you want to add something on your home page, just click here add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add, images or videos or menus. Okay, now let's move on to this section to edit this section. So here you can edit the grid, the row counts, and the gap, this section, the fill screen, and the height, the alignment. Okay, and in the background, you can select just a simple arch, and also you can use image as a background. So delete this and select from library, go to the premium image, and search on mockup templates. Okay, you can type anything on the search, anything you're looking for, anything it's matched with your website homepage. Okay, for example, I need something, just a simple image, um, Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title and the logo image. You can upload this from library and upload it as a file. Also you can add here your mobile logo image. You can add and customize the element section, the button and the social links. You can add email or social link here. You can turn on the language switch. So that's it. Now let's move on. So the next section here, you have to change and customize the wave intensity. So change it so this it's much better, and change the text size like this. And the first thing here, you have to delete this image, add another one here. Okay, okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. So the text here, you can use it to talk about your shop and your products, and how and where are they made, what makes them unique. So the first thing here, to make it attractive, you have to change it from paragraph 2 to heading 4 like this. And now after this, you can change the topic of the text. Okay, and in the background, you don't have to add image in the background, just a simple art, it's much better like this. Now let's move on. Also here, just a simple art. Here, tell people about who you are, your origin, your process, or your inspirations. Here you have to add just a simple art, the same thing as normal. And you can here change the social links. Okay, you can add the social link and your URL of your account on Instagram. Here you can delete this, and instead of this image, you can add a map, for example. So you can add the business name, your address, and the city, and the state, and the country. And you can change the design of the map if you want. Okay, and now just you have to add just a simple art. Okay, now let's move on the last section, the footer section. Also just a simple art. If you wanna change something about the animations or the fonts or the colors, just go here, the site styles, and here you can change the fonts, the colors, the animations, the spacing, and the buttons. So that's it. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for mockup templates business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.